Hello, leaders. Hello, affiliates. O News 13 is here, and the message is clear. Fact-driven focus. A word about leadership and speculation. One of the greatest strengths of this community has always been your loyalty, energy, and creativity. So many of you have taken to YouTube and other platforms to share your enthusiasm, to inspire others, and to keep the spirit of OnPassive alive. For that, we say thank you. Your positivity, your dedication, they inspire us all. But today, we must also remind everyone of something very important. Some of what is being shared out there is speculation, wishful thinking. We understand it comes from good intentions, from love, from care, from passion. But these ideas are not based on inside knowledge or official communication. Let's be crystal clear. And the next chapter is not a continuation of OnPassive. What is coming is something totally different and far, far better. This will mark a radical shift. But it must be communicated with clarity, with accuracy, and with unity. Because when guesses are shared, even with good intentions, they create confusion. They carry messages that no longer represent who we are. So today we ask all of you, especially our most visible and vocal leaders, to please be patient. Wait for the facts. They are just around the corner. And when the time is right, you will receive plenty of information in the right way and through the right channels. Oh, and by the way, it's not what you expect. But trust this, you will be very pleased with what's coming next. Because we value your voices, we value your passion, and together, if we align around truth and clarity, we will make the journey toward our big, bold, and beautiful shared dreams stronger than ever before. So stay tuned, because wonderful new things are coming soon.